Welcome to Army Burnhall College for Boys. A grand dwelling of gallantry and dauntless, a place where you can carve your destiny and can achieve excellence and honor. Symbolizing the eagle due to its magical powers and strong will, Army Burnhall College is steeped in history, synonymous with excellence. Originally established as a missionary school, it was named after English Manor House, has a hall with a stream, Burn, running through it, thus resulted into the name Burnhall. Later, in 1947, the school was shifted to Abbottabad. Army Burnhall College, the jewel in the crown of institutions of Pakistan, lies in the hub of Abbottabad, which is widely known as the city of schools and colleges. Holding a history of 77 years, this alma mater depicts nothing but excellent, rich tradition, leaving a long-lasting impression on its scholar. Army Burnhall offers a wide range of multi-dimensional opportunities and is committed to nurture the students as balanced, dynamic and productive first-rate citizens of the country. This is how it becomes a nursery of breeds of generals, bureaucrats, technocrats and distinguished personalities serving all over the country. During 1977, there was a shift in command. The school was renamed as Army Burnhall College and switched its administration and patterns of decision-making by forming Board of Governors under the patronage of Chief of Army Staff, along with Commander 10th Corps as Chairman Board of Governor and Commandant PMA as Deputy Chairman Board of Governor. The college has a bewitching and serene campus equipped with all modern facilities. The college's main building, originally developed in 1956, is built with red brick in the old British architectural style. This legendary building consists of classrooms and fully equipped laboratories along with houses. Burnhall College takes students from all over the country and helps them to adapt to the new surroundings. A typical day in Burnhall begins with the sound of reveille at dawn, which heralds a new day. An imperative part of their training is obligatory prayers. Hollians congregate in a mosque for morning prayer so that they receive blessings and benedictions of the Almighty. After obligatory religious rituals, the vibrant Hollians gain vitality and vigor for the whole day. Morning PT and physical exercises build up their stamina to spend their entire day thoroughly enthusiastic and lively. Now is the time for their class. They are hurriedly wearing uniforms and rushing towards the mat. AHMs oversee them taking their breakfast. AHMs ensure that all the students observe table manners. They're entering their alma mater to quench their thirst of knowledge by carving their own destiny. The classes are well equipped with state-of-the-art ABAs, promoting and facilitating both teaching and learning. Keeping in mind the significance of labs, Army Burnhall has fully equipped labs with the latest equipment for physics, chemistry and biology. The Hollians' much-loved cafeteria offers all kinds of snacks where they sit and chat, relishing burgers with the luxurious coffee bar. Burnhall has a well-furnished, spacious digital library consisting of 8,000 books and 60,000 e-books. An auditorium for conducting curricular and extracurricular activities. All the religious and national days, including Independence Day and Pakistan Day, are observed with all religious and national purposes. Burnhall not only believes in conventional mode of education, but also encourages its students to think outside the box. To make the students familiar with the art of oratory, all-Pakistan bilingual declamation is arranged. Naat and Tirat competitions are held to provide students with vast vision of discovery. Internationally well-known and seasoned resource persons like Norman Reed are invited to share their expertise and experience. Among curricular and extracurricular activities such as social nights, musical nights, drama nights, spell bee competitions, and HRC competitions, which are all held on campus. Burnhall College has a full and vast cricket ground. Hockey is also an important game at the college. The Hollians love football and basketball. The college provides the best coaches for training of Hollians. Squash and badminton courts are also available. Students are also provided with all the utmost sports facilities. Routine games such as swimming, athletics, gymnastics, PT exercise, and different self-defense exercises. Burnhall College is setting an astonishing example to thrive the courage, discipline, patience and optimism among its students, enabling students to unlock all hurdles and barriers in the way of their dreamed peak of success. Burnhall is not only a college, it's a family of Hollians, which links the past and provides the bridge to their future. Education is a passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today.